We are going to discuss the skills, specifically the position, the footwork, and the grip. Okay, let's proceed to the ready position. The ready position, you have to slightly crouch forward. The feet should be shoulder width apart, and you have to make sure that to bend your knees and ankles. Now here is the ready position. Next is the grip and the footwork in table tennis. There are two types of footwork, basic footworks in table tennis, the in and out footwork. Now, during the in and out footwork, when you face a short service, kapag sinabi nating short service ulit, yung bola malapit sa net or sa gitna ng table. So, kailangan mong, you have to reach out. When you face a short service, you have to move your body to come closer to the ball, and after making the stroke, return to your ready position. Okay, sample ng in and out footwork pattern. Okay. Number 2, the one-step footwork. One-step footwork is useful when the ball is slightly out of reach, meaning nun, either left or right naman ang pupuntahan ng bola tapos medyo malayo sa'yo. So, you can use one of your feet to reach near the ball and after the stroke, it comes back to the ready position. Paano ba ang one-step footwork? Okay, notice yung paa niya, mag-extend lang to the right or to the left. That is the one-step footwork pattern. Next naman, for the grips, there are two basic. The pen hold or the pen grip and the shake hand grip. Okay. First is the pen hold grip. The pen hold grip is an Asian style grip of holding the racket, where the head of the racket is facing down and is held the way a person holds a pen or pencil para kang naghahawak ng ball pen or lapis. Paano ba yan? Dapat yung paddle ay naka-face downwards. Yung 3 fingers mo naka-spread sa likod as the support para pang puwersa. Next naman is the shake hand grip. For the shake hand grip, it is the typical European type grip where the head of the racket faces up. Your hand looks like it is ready to shake a person's hand para ka daw nakikilamano or nakikipag-shake hands sa shake hand grip. No, ang pang-support mo naman sa likod ay you have to extend your index finger. Okay. Next is the fitness components in table tennis, namely the speed and agility, hand and eye coordination, reaction time, analytic and tactical ability, and lastly, strength and power. Now, all of these are understandable naman. Lahat ng fitness components na yan ay magagamit mo sa larong table tennis. Okay. To wrap it up, natapos na natin. Okay. Thank you for listening. Here, before we end this video, let me give you some reminders from your teacher. You have to believe in your infinite potential. Your only limitations are those you set upon yourself. Okay. Now, kindly wait for the quiz drills na i-upload ko. Susunod na rin dito sa video discussion para meron kayong review during the actual quiz game. Thank you!